Now I have to report another good news from Canada this time. Amir Sahib reported to me about the conversion of an Arab, perhaps Saudian or Syrian, I don't remember exactly. But he was posted in Libya and he became Ahmadi through the mixed blessing of the post box number plus MTA. The post box number allotted to him was previously held by an Ahmadi who used to receive a taqwa. So when he, by mistake, he didn't stop it, so good mistake by him. So he kept on receiving a taqwa regularly and he was extremely interested. So through taqwa he came to learn of MTA. And then he switched on to MTA and particularly watched her Arabic programs. And after that he said, I was left with no doubt about the truth of Ahmadiyya with the grace of Allah. So now he has gone to Canada and he is a good stout Ahmadi along with his family, mashallah.